After spending 3 weeks in Florida helping residents in the aftermath of Hurricane Ian, Missoula County's Western Montana Type 3 Incident Management Team has come home. The team was one of 13 Type 3 teams to go to the Sunshine State in late September. They were dispatched to the city of Northport in Sarasota County. The first stage of their work included search and rescue efforts, responding to more than 500 calls for service to the fire department. They prioritize basic needs like giving out water and setting up shelters for medical response and general housing. Once the situation started to stabilize, the focus shifted to recovery efforts such as sorting and removing debris and setting the stage for federal resources. The Missoula County team was on the job for 18 days, and members say they can now apply the experience and skills to disasters closer to home, for example, wildfires.